How to connect Google Home to Netflix. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily connect it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So now, here on the bottom, there's a section called Home Settings. Tap on Home Settings. So we in this settings interface. Here, you'll be able to customize and have different options. Here on the top, there's a section called Video. Simply tap on Video. So this is the place where you can add Netflix, YouTube and other players. Here, simply tap on this link button. So after you do this, you must add the email and password and you can directly connect it with your Netflix. So this will also automatically connect it with your TV, and later you can control it with Google Home. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.